Good morning, students. I am going to be walking you through how to navigate course content, specifically the modules. So I am in student preview mode so that my screen looks exactly like what you should be seeing. So on the left-hand side, please go ahead and click to course content. At the beginning of each module, I will be uploading a video walking you through the module and an explanation of the major assessment that we will be completing during that module. The assignment overview in each module will tell you exactly what you need to turn in and when. And then as you work your way through the module, you will see a variety of supplemental materials that will help you with the assignment. As always, please don't hesitate to contact me using the course mail tab on the left, and you can expect an answer within 24 hours. So I'm excited. Let's dive into the world of rhetoric together. So the first step will be to click on Module 1. Your first writing assignment is going to be a rhetorical analysis. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the assignment overview that you can expect. So you are going to learn how to deconstruct advertisements and closely analyze how those arguments were created using persuasive appeals. And then you're going to use what you learned to actually write your own rhetorical analysis. So please read over the objectives for this unit, and at the bottom you see the assignments and everything that is due. Of special notice is the major rhetorical analysis essay that will be worth 100 points, and it is due on the 26th. As you work your way through the module, you will see that the first step is to watch a video about ethos, pathos, logos so that we can become familiarized with what those terms mean. Then you will have 2 quizzes to take, and you can take those as many times as you need. And then you have the actual rhetorical analysis essay, the assignment sheet, and the instructions of how to complete that essay. At the very end, you will see that I also included for your convenience the Blackboard tutorial, just in case you need a brief refresher if you are not familiar with how to use Blackboard. On this introduction page, I will always hyperlink the major essay so that if you want to go ahead and click on that and see what the final assignment will look like and when that is due, it will take you directly to the assignment. And we will be getting started on that shortly.